1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
Hi guys, welcome back to Gina's Kitchen Adventure. Today we're going to make a homemade pesto. First, we're going to bake our pine nuts. We are going to wash our fresh basil or basil leaves. This is ready. We will just set aside and let it cool down. We're going to grate our Parmesan cheese. We are going to squeeze our lemon, and it's like a magic. It's here now. And Gina is so sleepy. I need to take my vitamins, my coffee. This is not part of the pesto. I'm just so sleepy. I need to take my dalgona. Inom muna ng coffee ang kusinera para mawala ang antok. Now, let's continue making our pesto. Now, we are going to put our fresh basil leaves in our blender. Now, our pesto is ready. I made the one with cheese and the other one is without cheese. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.